buy from stores. And yes, this boomerang might only cost 1 or 2 rupees. To make an origami boomerang, you need only half of an A4 size sheet. So let's start by folding your paper into half in the vertical direction. Let's start making the boomerang. So first step is fold it into half just like this. Make it sharp. To make it like a visible crease. And fold these two edges almost to the center crease. Just leave about 1 or 2 millimeters just like this and adjust it from all the sides. Make it sharp and do the same with the other side. Try to leave the same number of distance. And then make it sharp. So as you all can see, I have left a bit of space. So again we have to fold this paper into half. Now you have to unfold and fold this edge to this edge. Make it sharp with a bit pressure. Now you have to take it like this, so you have a paper like this and fold this edge to the center crease. Unfold and do the same with this side. So now we have to make the reverse fold. So first you can do this corner like this. So it's a bit easy, and do the same with this corner. Now to make a reverse fold, you just need to open this pocket a little bit, just like this, and then push the corner so it looks like this and fold it like that. Do the same with this side, reverse folding, and now flatten it just like this. Now unfold these two flaps and unfold. Now this step is according to if you are a right-handed or a left-handed. So if you are a left-handed, you have to open the left flap, and if you are a right-handed, open the right flap. I am a right-handed person, so I'll unfold this flap. Now we have to make this diamond and this crease a bit sharp, just like this. So pinch it from up. Like this. And Now to make this crease sharp, you can fold it in half like this and just fold this part which is thinner shut. Be careful to not tear the paper. Now you see we have all the folds sharp and neat. Now we have to make a pocket. So to make it, you have to fold only the upper flap just like this, and don't let the bottom flap also be folded. So just like this. Now your paper will look like this, and keep holding it from the upper side, and now you can see this thing. You just have to push it like this, and now flatten it. Now see, your paper would look like this. Now you have to make this paper symmetrical. To make it so, you just have to fold this edge at the bottom up, and as you can see there is one pocket like fold. You just have to try inserting inside it. Now your paper will look like this. So let's continue. Now you have to fold these two flaps down like this, and let the flap go to the right and then to the left, and flatten it. Now unfold only this flap, not these two flaps, just the left one, and you have to unfold the flap which we just tucked it inside like this. And now you have to fold the upper flap down and this flap and flatten it. And while you do it, you have to insert it into this pocket. So just push it like this and flatten it. Now your paper would look like this from both the sides. Guess what? The boomerang is ready. Just the thing left is to lock it. So let's start locking it by opening this flap a bit like this and fold it like an airplane fold to the middle crease. Like this, and do the same with this side. Unfold these two flaps, and now just like how we did with the other flaps, we have to reverse fold this flap to make a pocket. And to let that happen, you just have to fold it from both the sides. Open this pocket and just push it inside, and now this side would look like this, and flatten it. Now turn over and take this flap and tuck it inside this pocket over here. Just put it inside and flatten it. Do the same with this side. Now you see these two flaps can be made, but fold the right one like a reverse fold if you are a right-handed, or the vice versa if you are the left-handed. Like this, then like an airplane fold. Okay, now unfold and fold this flap like this. Open this pocket and just tuck it inside like this. Unfold this flap also, then flatten, turn over, tuck this flap inside this pocket. And now your boomerang is locked and ready. And yes, if your model is a left-handed model, So these two flaps are heading towards the right side. As you can see, these points would head to the left side, just like this. Hope you are going to enjoy playing with this boomerang for hours. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.